When it comes to navigating a grocery store and communicating effectively, having a good grasp of verbs and phrasal verbs can be incredibly helpful. Let's explore some essential verbs and phrasal verbs that you'll encounter in a grocery store setting. 1. Grab. This verb means to quickly take or pick up something. For example, can you grab a pack of bread from the shelf? Tip. Grab is a casual way to say take or pick up. 2. Stock up on. This phrasal verb means to buy a large quantity of something, usually to have a sufficient supply. For instance, I need to stock up on canned goods for the winter. Tip. Stock up on is often used when preparing for a future event or period where you might need a larger supply of certain items. 3. Run out of. This phrasal verb indicates that you have used or consumed all of something and need to buy more. For example, I ran out of milk this morning, so I need to buy some at the grocery store. Tip. Run out of is commonly used when you've exhausted your supply of a particular item. 4. Pick out. This phrasal verb means to choose or select something from a group or collection. For instance, can you help me pick out the ripest bananas? Tip. Pick out is often used when you need to make a selection based on certain criteria, such as ripeness, size, or personal preference. 5. Scan. This verb refers to the action of using a device to read the barcode on an item at the checkout counter. For example, please scan each item before placing it in the bag. Tip. Scan is a technical term used in the context of electronic checkouts or self-service kiosks. 6. Bag. As a verb, bag means to put items into a bag or other container. For instance, would you like me to bag your groceries for you? Tip. Bag can also be used as a noun, referring to the container itself, such as a plastic or reusable grocery bag. 7. Ring up. This phrasal verb is used to describe the process of calculating the total cost of your purchases at the checkout counter. For example, the cashier will ring up your items and provide you with the total. Tip. Ring up is a colloquial term often used in the context of a cashier processing your transaction. 8. Pay for. This phrasal verb simply means to give money in exchange for goods or services. For instance, I'll pay for the groceries using my credit card. Tip. Pay for is a straightforward way to express the act of purchasing something. 9. Carry out. As a phrasal verb, carry out means to take items from a store to your vehicle or destination. For example, do you need help carrying out your bags to the car? Tip. Carry out can also be used as a noun, referring to food that is prepared at a restaurant but taken away to be consumed elsewhere. Common phrasal verbs for grocery shopping. 1. Run out of. Meaning, to have no more of something. Example, we've run out of eggs, I need to buy some. 2. Pick up. Meaning, to collect or grab something. Example, can you pick up some cereal on your way home? 3. Stock up on. Meaning, to buy a large quantity of something for future use. Example, I'm going to stock up on snacks for the party. 4. Checkout. Meaning, to pay for items at the register. Example, I'm ready to check out now. 5. Take back. Meaning, to return something to the store. Example, I'll take back these bananas because they are overripe. 6. Run into. Meaning, to meet someone by chance. Example, I always run into my neighbor at the grocery store. 7. Look over. Meaning, to examine something quickly. Example, look over the list before you start shopping. 8. Mark down. Meaning, to reduce the price of an item. Example, they marked down all the holiday chocolate after the sale. 9. Come across. Meaning, to find something unexpectedly. Example, I came across a new brand of pasta at the store. 10. Ring up. Meaning, to calculate the total cost at the register. Example, the cashier will ring up all your items at the checkout. By familiarizing yourself with these verbs and phrasal verbs, you'll be better equipped to communicate effectively in a grocery store setting.